Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm just gonna do a quick video about this gel. If you guys are really looking for affordable gel that's gonna keep nice and crispy and hard, this is it. This gel, you guys, in the drugstore for only like $3.50. Extra hold, and this makes my hair last for a whole 5 days. With it being nice and curly and crispy, I'm gonna apply it in my hair. It even says on here a real hold for 24 hours, all control, alcohol free. It does have aloe vera and it smells pretty pleasant. It's not too strong. So I'm gonna just apply it in my hair in chunks. There's no special way to do it. I just don't put it too much directly on my scalp, and I just shingled through each piece. I was really doing a lot of research, finding the right gel. And this is not my go-to gel. This is just my gel if I'm just doing a quick wash and go, and you know, I want it to last for 4 days with extra hold, because it makes it really, really crispy and wavy. It doesn't make my hair bouncy and curly. I would recommend the Kinky-Curly Knots Today gel if you want that, or even the Jamaican gel you've seen in some of my videos. But again, if you're just looking for a very affordable gel that's not going to damage your hair too much and that's not going to flake up and look like you have dandruff, this is a really good gel. I was really happy about the outcome. It is hard to brush through. It's super thick. I think that's maybe a reason why I like it. But you see how sticky it is? I mean, it doesn't have a lot of slip, but it clumps up your hair. So if you really want to weigh down your hair and you don't want a lot of frizz and value in body, you know, you just want the length retention, you know, just that long length to really stretch it, this is the gel. Keep in mind, I do have Kinky-Curly Knots Today leave-in conditioner in my hair, because that really helps, leaving my hair a little bit extra moist just to protect it from the gel a little bit. It's always good to have a leave-in conditioner in there, but don't apply it too heavy or too thick where you can actually see it. You know, just enough. It's gonna be super stringy, y'all. And I never really blow dry my hair after, so here we go. Get right in there. And I'm always gentle, and I always hold my hair because I don't want to pull it. Some people say work on the tips and work your way up. To me, I feel like that works for people with straight hair, but curly hair, I want to work the knot out slowly all the way to the tips. That's just what works for me. Do a little bit of finger tangling. And I got this more to do, and then we're done. After completing it all over my hair in small little portions, I just go in the in-between areas where I feel like it's not much there and just separate it a little bit and apply a little bit more gel. It's just spread it all up through my hands like this. So as I'm like finger detangling, I'm just applying a little bit more, not in chunks. It actually works for curly or wavy hair, and it maintains and holds down your hair and prevents it from frizzing up. It has a lot of weight to it and has no flakes whatsoever, and it doesn't gunk all up in your hair. And you see how I applied it. I applied it just all over the place. I didn't even do it professionally in sections or anything. So, but it is good to separate it a little bit. Make sure each piece of hair is kind of going downward, you know. And I'll show you guys the back. My hair is gonna be dry like probably in an hour or 30 minutes. Sometimes it's good to put a little bit of castor oil or oil on top of the gel, you know, if you want a little bit of shininess. But today I'm really on a go. Got so much stuff to do. So let me get those edges a little bit right there. So I want that to bald up and like frizz a little bit. And if you guys want to put this on hair, you know, human hair that's extensions or clip-ins, I think it should be perfectly fine. Just make sure you properly wash the hair good, because that might you know, clunk up a little bit more. So I did shampoo my hair first, you guys. I applied it on clean hair. I Shea Jamaican black castor oil shampoo, just a little bit, and rinsed it out completely. Then I put Kinky-Curly in this new product that I small business that I really like, and it has like peppermint, and it's all vegan and tea tree in it. This conditioner, I applied that one in this wash and go today, you guys, and I'll put her information and link down below. It smells very refreshing, and if you're trying to go all vegan, you know, stuff with no sulfurates, you know, no parabens, no color, no dye, none of that crazy stuff, all simple, natural, and supporting a small black owned business. This is her. I'll put her Instagram down below, and yeah, quite a bit like in this container. Like I already did 3 washes, and as you see, it's only that much I've used. So a little bit goes a long ways, but I do like mixing it with my Kinky-Curly knot stick because this just makes my hair slip, because my hair is really, really dry. Where I live, it's kind of a little out of the loop. It's more in the desert, so my hair is always dry. So I mixed it with my Miracle Kinky-Curly knot stay a little bit, and it just works wonderful, wonderful. So I'll put in some clips. There you guys go. My hair dry later on. So now I gotta get ready. Let's see. There we go, y'all. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I probably said that 1,000 times already. I really enjoy videos like this. And you know, it's all about improving our hair and sharing hair care tips, because our hair is amazing. I love curly hair. Curly girls rock. Don't forget, tap that, hit that, click that subscribe button, you guys, and stay tuned for more videos.